children. Today I started Unit 7 revision class. On my blackboard I can draw. Already you got portion, isn't it? Unit 5, 7 and 8, isn't it? Yes. In previous video you will I did revision of Jew manners and funny, isn't it? Okay, today I go with Unit 7. On my blackboard I can draw and make it shorter. Okay, here already you know very well about the poem. On my blackboard I can draw. Here is the one boy said what he draw that. He draw one house, isn't it? He draw one house. How is that? Is how many doors that house has, and where the marigold grows, and how many steps are there, upstairs are there, isn't it? He explained that his drawing, isn't it? That boy explained his drawing. Okay, in this lesson here are some question answers on my blackboard. First one, see. Reading is fun. Answer the following questions. How many windows does the house have in this poem? How many windows the house have? The house has 5 little windows in the poem, isn't it? How many windows? 5 little windows. Keep it in mind. Have to read and write. Okay, do practice. Next one, second one. See there. Where do the marigold go? Where do the marigold grow? The marigolds grow up against the wall. Where do the marigolds grow? The marigolds grow up against the wall. Keep it in mind. You have to, without seeing, writing, you have to do practice, okay? Write the question one time and write answer 2 to 3 times. Then you will perfect, okay? Next one, see there. Change from singular to plural by adding es, ies and ves. Here they given singular and plural word. In a test we will give singular words, means you have to write in front of that word plural words, okay? Buffalo, buffaloes. Hero, heroes. Potato, potatoes. Baby, babies. Fly, flies. Lady, ladies. Knife, knives. Wolf, wolves. Love, loves. Okay, here just to observe where which word, in which word we have add es and in which word we add ies. Just you observe that, and also ves. Here knife, wolf, loves. Here we add here ves. Keep it in mind. Ves we add here, isn't it? Did you see that? Yes. In baby, fly, then lady. These 3 words here I add ies. After that, that word become a plural word, isn't it? So baby, babies. Fly, flies. Lady, ladies. Okay. In these 2 words, see there, buffalo, I add here, buffaloes means I add es. Buffalo, buffaloes. Here hero, heroes. Which letter I add here? es, isn't it? Just you keep it in mind and do practice very well. Okay. Yes. In a textbook they are given some opposite words. See here. Fast opposite word, slow. Fast opposite word what? Slow. Happy, sad. Happy, sad. Then loose, tight. Loose opposite word, tight. You have to practice that spellings, opposite word spellings, okay? When you are writing, it will be easy, isn't it? Yes. See in the next page. In textbooks also you have to write, no? Here, see here. Change from singular to plural by adding In CW you read, no? In now, before, yes. Buffalo, buffaloes. Hero, heroes. Potato, potatoes. Baby, babies. Fly, flies. Lady, ladies. Knife, knives. Wolf, wolves. Loaf, loaves. Okay? Can you understand, children? Just you read and do practice very well. Okay? Next lesson. See here, make it shorter. One poem lesson, prose. Make it shorter. You know very well about this story. This is a story about Akbar and Birbal, isn't it? See, one day Akbar draw a line on the floor and order make this line shorter, but did not rub any part of it. ಅಕ್ಬರ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಎಳಿತಾನೆ, ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಲೈನ್ ಎಳಿತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ತನ್ನ ಆಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಎರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ, ರಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಉಳಿದರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಚಿಂತೆಗೆ ಒಳಗಾಗ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, isn't it? Then Birbal command what he did, you know very well, isn't it? See there, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದು ಬಿರ್ಬಲ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಬಿರ್ಬಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಅ ಲಾಂಗರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಎಳಿತಾನೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನು ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, isn't it? Birbal draw a line under the big one, isn't it? ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಎಳಿತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now it is looking short line, isn't it? This is the intelligence of Birbal. Intelligence of Birbal. How he think and he did that, isn't it? Yes. You know very well this story. Okay. In this lesson, here they given some question answers. 3 question answers they given here. See, what did Akbar order one day? What did each minister do? Then how did Birbal make the line shorter? 3 question answers are there. In your CW you wrote that question answer, isn't it? Yes. See, first one. Answer the following questions. First one, what did Akbar order one day? What did Akbar order one day? Keep it in mind. What did Akbar order one day? ಏನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? Akbar drew a line on the floor. Akbar drew a line on the floor and ordered to make it shorter without rubbing any part of it. Isn't it? You have to read thoroughly and do practice without seeing writing practice you have to do. Okay. Akbar drew a line on the floor and ordered to make it shorter without rubbing any part of it. Okay. Second one, what did each minister do? Each minister looked at the line and was puzzled. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಉಳಿದ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು, ಅವರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಚಿಂತೆಗೆ ಒಳಗಾಗ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ಬೀರ್ಬಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟರ್? ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ಬೀರ್ಬಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟರ್? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಬೀರ್ಬಲ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಶಾರ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Birbal drew a longer line under the first one. Birbal drew a longer line under the first one. It is his intelligence, isn't it? You have to read and write, do practice very well. Birbal drew a longer line under the first one. Okay, children? These both lessons, question answers, you have to read and learn. Do practice very well. Then it will be easy for you to face the exam. Okay? Okay, bye. Thank you.